Look at this crowded street in Kampala. This fast-paced urban environment is home to many smaller nuclear families living in apartments. Now compare that to this rural homestead. Here, with thatched roof huts and tilled soil, you'll often find a large extended family sharing a compound. Whether you grow up navigating city traffic or helping with the village harvest, your family is the foundation of who you are. It shapes your daily rules, your chores, and your identity in Ugandan society. Telling your family story requires combining a personal pronoun with the verb to be. For first-person singular, pair I with am. Never just say, am a student. English sentences need a clear subject, so always include I at the beginning. Establishing that clear subject using a pronoun is the absolute, non-negotiable starting point for sharing your personal identity. Let's apply this to the people closest to us. This diagram maps a nuclear family, a household consisting only of parents and their children. When describing these relatives, repeating their names over and over makes your sentences heavy. Instead, we use personal pronouns to replace specific names. For a single person other than yourself, use third-person singular pronouns like he, she, or it. These always pair with the singular verb is. Mastering these singular pronouns allows you to smoothly and efficiently introduce the immediate members of your household. But in Uganda, our families rarely stop at the front door. This expanded diagram maps an extended family, adding grandparents, uncles, and aunts, the people you might call Jaja, Koja, or Senga. To describe these wider, multi-person branches, we shift to plural pronouns like we and they, which pair with the plural verb are. There is one strict exception to remember. The pronoun you always pairs with are, even if you are speaking directly to a single individual. You would say, you are my brother, not you is. Let's test this logic. Try to fill in the missing verbs. My grandfather blank, a farmer in Soroti, and we blank, very proud of him. My grandfather is a farmer in Soroti, and we are very proud of him. Adapting your pronouns from singular to plural scales your language, allowing you to accurately map your entire lineage. This image captures a common Ugandan chore, harvesting matoke. When expressing your likes or dislikes about household responsibilities like this, always support your opinion with a reason using the word because. For example, I like harvesting matoke because it provides energy for my family. To explain how families peacefully manage these daily chores, we rely on abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are things you can physically interact with, like your uncles or the compound. Abstract nouns represent emotions or ideas, like respect, peace, and love. You feel them, like the wind, but you cannot hold them in a basket. While you cannot physically touch respect or forgiveness, naming these qualities gives you the vocabulary to explain exactly how your household functions together. Let's put these pieces into a cohesive paragraph describing a family. Notice the structural foundation. Personal pronouns are correctly paired with the verb to be. Next, look at the core values. The abstract nouns show up right where the author explains their family's deep connection. Here is a breakdown of our core concepts. First, personal pronoun rules, pairing I with am. Second, the difference between nuclear and extended families. Your family is your first school of life. With these tools, confidently share your unique Ugandan story with the world.